In this brief presentation, we will talk about keto diet for beginners. Most people new to keto diet might wonder, what exactly is keto diet? Keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that helps in weight loss. A ketogenic diet is a way of eating a high amount of fats, a medium amount of proteins, and very low carbs. So, what are carbs? If you are interested in weight loss, then carbs are not good for you. Carbohydrates are macronutrients found in starches, foods with high sugar content, bread, flour, pasta, rice, potatoes, cereals, bagels. These foods are so much available and delicious that they can be easily overconsumed. Carbohydrates break down to glucose, which is in turn used by the body to release energy. Finally, what is ketosis? When carbs are discarded for a long time from our diet, then our body enters into a phase called ketosis. Instead, your body burns fat and makes ketones, which it can use for fuel or energy. Being in a state of ketosis can be very effective for weight loss, and most people claim it helps increase their energy and mental clarity. So, how long does it take for the body to go into ketosis? Sometimes it can take 2 to 4 days to get into ketosis when first starting keto, but it varies from person to person. For some, it may take a week or longer. For more information, please visit the first link in the description of the video to get all keto diet resources today.